How big is a 20-quart cooler? When it comes to choosing a cooler, size is an important factor to consider. Having the right size cooler can make all the difference in keeping your food and beverages cold. One popular size option for coolers is the 20-quart cooler. But how big is a 20-quart cooler exactly? Understanding quart measurements. Before we discuss specific sizes, let's first understand what quart measurements mean. A quart is a unit of measurement for liquids and is equal to 2 pints or 4 cups. In the context of coolers, it refers to the internal volume of the cooler in quarts. What makes up a 20-quart cooler? A 20-quart cooler typically has an internal volume of 19 liters. This means it can hold up to 20 quarts or 24 cans of drinks. The external dimensions of a 20-quart cooler can vary depending on the brand and model, but they usually measure around 18 inches long, 12 inches wide, and 15 inches tall. Ideal uses for a 20-quart cooler. A 20-quart cooler is considered a medium-sized cooler and is suitable for a variety of uses. Its compact size makes it ideal for day trips, picnics, and tailgates. It can also hold enough food and drinks for a small group or family outing. Factors to consider when choosing a cooler size. When deciding if a 20-quart cooler is the right size for you, there are a few factors to consider. Trip duration. How long do you plan on using the cooler? If it's just for a day, a 20-quart cooler should suffice. Group size. How many people will be using the cooler? A 20-quart cooler can typically hold enough food and drinks for 2 to 3 people. Storage space. Do you have limited space in your car or storage area? A 20-quart cooler is compact enough to fit in most spaces.